8 reasons why I feel Linux Mint is better than Zorin OS. The first reason, Linux Mint is updated faster than Zorin OS. Linux Mint updates its NTS base just after 2-3 months of the release of the major Ubuntu NTS, and Zorin OS releases their major version after 1.5 years of the release of the Ubuntu NTS. The second reason is Linux Mint's Cinnamon desktop is less resource intensive and still it is feature complete. The third reason, Linux Mint owns its desktop environment Cinnamon, and therefore Linux Mint can provide better support, better integration and better compatibility than the Zorin OS. The fourth reason, Linux Mint is one of the last remaining professional desktop environment to provide the OMDR X11 window manager while maintaining full featuredness and being highly scalable. And the fifth point, Linux Mint is more customizable than Zorin OS. Because Linux Mint has its own desktop environment, it provides customization by default. The sixth reason, Linux Mint has its own set of native apps like the Mint software, the Nemo file manager, the settings, extension, applets, which are designed and tested specifically for Linux Mint. The seventh point, Linux Mint comes with the safety of time shift by default. Every new install of Linux Mint comes pre-installed with time shift, which is a system restore utility which can save you if in rare cases your system breaks. The eighth and the most important point is that Linux Mint offers its Debian edition, which is called the Linux Mint Debian edition. MMDE is one of the best directly Debian based distribution which makes using Debian easy. The best thing is that it provides complete GUI based upgrade for every major Debian upgrades. Like if you go from Debian 12 to Debian 13, the Linux Mint team will handle all of the upgrade. Makes NMD very professional and superior for day-to-day life users. In MX Linux, you still have to type some commands to upgrade, but NMD completely automates the Debian upgrade. Linux Mint can sometimes feel a little old when you first install it, but customizing and making it as modern as Zorin OS is very easy with just a few clicks. Zorin OS is also a good option, but Linux Mint is still the superior. Please like, share and subscribe.